What's your own now? Why do you come and block me now? What's your problem? Okay, if I said, oh, don't leave, I beg. Leave us so. Hi, handsome. Hello.
My friend, get out of here. Hey!
I have no option again, no. Let me just take me again.
Come on, get out of this place. Come on, move out. Move out.